You don't see houses like this in a village. So let's invade the village house. So there are 3 bedrooms. Or 4 bedrooms. What's here? A balcony. Wow. What a view. What's your name? Your name? Yanagi. This video is about home invasions. Before I show you the home invasions, let me give you some background. And looking at the title of the video, if you're wondering who Harald Baldr is, let me tell you about him as well. Harald Baldr is one of my favorite travel vloggers and my primary inspiration for starting to vlog myself. I remember the first time I considered travel vlogging while watching Harald's video. It was when I saw him do a home invasion. Until then, I was watching his videos for fun because I love traveling and seeing different people and places, and his vlogs were raw, just the way I liked. But when I saw a home invasion on his channel, I thought to myself, that's really cool. It is one thing to walk around with a camera mounted on a stick and talk into it. It is one thing to even interact with people, but invading their homes is another level of awkwardness he puts himself into, and he doesn't seem to feel embarrassed even a little bit about it. Now these are the key words for me: awkwardness and embarrassment. Around the same time, I had taken upon myself to get over the feeling of awkwardness and embarrassment. And the way to do that was by putting yourself in awkward and embarrassing situations over and over until you feel immune to it. I believe that's a superpower, and I want that. So I said to myself, I want to do travel vlogging too. Not only because I love traveling, but because it's an exercise in developing this superpower. Vlogging in public is itself going to be a challenge at first because it's awkward and embarrassing to walk around talking to the camera, you know. But I'm going to get over it. And I'm going to keep pushing my boundaries. And one of the things I want to be able to do is home invasions like Harald Baldr. You know, when you push your boundaries like that, by getting over the feeling of awkwardness and embarrassment, you see something great about the world. That your perception of the world was faulty. When you see that you can do these things and the sky is not falling over you or the world is not collapsing, you suddenly find yourself capable of doing much more than you were until now. And that, my friends, is the superpower. Now I'm sure you didn't expect that such would be the background of home invasions. Oh, and why do I call it home invasion? I just borrowed that term from Harald. After all, the whole concept is his. So let's look at the 3 home invasions I have done so far out of my 2 trips. And please do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep pushing my boundaries until I'm able to show you stuff you never see anywhere else. Now let's watch it. How's it going? कैसा चल रहा है? I'm staying there. You know Wayfarers? There. Hi. So is this your home?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
I just want to see how village home looks.
Come. Where you go?
I came from Bangalore. How are you? You're not going to school? You're going to school? When? Okay, so this is the house, and that's your kitchen. I'm wearing my shoes.
Come.
That's okay? Okay. So guys, can we turn on the light? There's no light?
Buttons.
Okay, this is the light. Turn it on. Thank you.
Hello?
So this is the main room here, and they have a TV
Happened.
and some furniture built into the wall. Acha idea. And they have a kitchen here, bright red,
Kitchen.
and that's their platform where they keep the stuff and cook their food. ये पानी कहाँ से लाते हो? ये कुआं है क्या बाहर?
Yes.
वेल है क्या?
Water pipe.
Water, okay, pump. Okay. And this is where they keep the utensils and all. There's a fan.
Oh.
And वहाँ पे क्या है?
Kitchen.
Store, दूसरा किचन है.
This is our kitchen.
And this is another room.
Old model kitchen.
Oh, वो तो अच्छा है. And this is another. So that's a modern kitchen.
And
This is old fashioned.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned. Wow. ये क्या बन रहा है?
Cooker.
Rice.
Nice.
Okay. So many people in Southeast Asian countries also have this pattern where they have a modern kitchen and they have a traditional kitchen. Good to see it here. So दो kitchen होता है.
Yes.
एक modern, एक पुराना. Okay. Everyone is surrounding me now. Hello. Very cute. You too. And you too. Hello.
My darling.
So these are your
Yes.
brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
And here they have the bathroom. They're laughing now. Don't show too much. Bye bye guys. Thanks. Wow. So I did have my home invasion, as Harold would call it. I need to come up with a new term now, because that's Harold's term. Harold invades. I don't want to say like that. DC invades. I'll come up with something. Hello. आपका नाम क्या है?
Dol Sab.
दौल साहब. ये मस्जिद है?
दरगाह है.
दरगाह है?
हाँ. दौल मालिक दरगाह.
ओके.
वो हासिर खाना बोलते हैं उसको, पीरा बिठाते नहीं,
हाँ हाँ.
साल के एक बार हसन हुसैन इमाम
उसे कहाँ
कासिम।
वाले थे?
मैं बेंगलोर से आया हूँ.
अच्छा बात से. अल्लाह.
आप यहीं रहते हो?
हाँ? हमें यही चाहिए गाँव वाले, इधर ये मेरा मकान है, इनका मकान,
हाँ, हाँ।
वो हमारे भाई का मकान, वो हमारे दीदी का मकान, वो हमारा अम्मी का।
मेरे को घर देखने मिलेगा?
हाँ मिलेगा।
ये क्या करते?
मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ
वीडियो बना.
ये जगह के बारे में.
पूरे गांव का वीडियो बना लेते
इधर बनाओ मेरा घर का।
घर का बनाऊँ? चलो. गांव का घर कैसा दिखता है ना,
हाँ।
लोग देखेंगे.
इधर खेड़े में
Guys,
बहुत मजा से रहते हैं।
this is
सिटी में नहीं रहते।
a very interesting looking home. Let me show you from outside. It's just bricks, but inside there is plaster.
अरे हुसैन, ये हमारे हमारे बच्चे हैं दो बेटे,
इनका नाम क्या है?
इसका नाम अहमद, इसका नाम हुसैन।
अहमद हुसैन.
शेर
Sounds
कहते हैं।
like one name. अहमद हुसैन.
वो हमारी बच्ची का पावा नहीं है, उसको एक काढ़े।
अच्छा, अंदर आ जाऊँ मैं?
आ जाओ,
जूते उतारूँ?
उतारो नहीं तो आ जाओ।
चलेगा? ओके.
वो हमारे बीवी
नमस्ते.
है, हमारी बेटी पावा नहीं, उसको क्या तो ये करते वो करते होते, आके दिल्ली से देख लगे कि कुछ भी नहीं करे। देखो
अच्छा, पहले से ही नहीं है?
पहले से ऐसी है, उसको बैठने टूटने नहीं आता, ऐसे पड़ा रहती है। उसे खाना खिलाना और पेशाब कराना, पैखाना कराना हमें माँ बाप को
हाँ,
बहुत का करते। माँ में गए बात कौन करते वो?
नहीं कॉफी
नहीं,
कॉफी
बैठो,
नहीं.
पीते हैं,
नहीं
बना।
नहीं.
बैठो जी।
So मैं जस्ट देखना हूँ, घर देख रहा हूँ और फिर जाऊँगा. So guys, this is the main room in their home. So this is kind of their living room.
नमस्कार रूम, ये बेडरूम भी।
ये नमाज का room.
हाँ नमाज करूँगा।
So this is the room for namaz. That's Islamic prayer.
इस्लाम।
This is where
इधर
they
ले ले लो,
pray.
इसको एक ले लो, उसको मानो।
And here, ये bedroom है.
हाँ बेडरूम हमारा।
बेडरूम।
And this is how their bedroom is. She's arranging the bed now.
ये पलंग तक है, पलंग ये हमारा पलंग
दूसरा टीवी भी है आपके पास?
हाँ वो उधर
वो
रिपेयरिंग
खराब हो गया,
है।
खराब हो गया.
का बड़ा ये
छोटा टीवी ला लिया।
ओके.
क्या है?
तो खाना यहीं पे बनता है?
हाँ खाना ये करंट से बनता है,
अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रिक है.
इलेक्ट्रिकल से बनता है, खाना साना
So they have their kitchen
किचन
You can see the utensils here
हाँ
in the living room itself,
हाँ
and the stove that they're using is an electric one.
बाहर करना आज के अब जरा रेडी हो रहा ना इसलिए आज करे
अच्छा,
उधर किचन रूम उधर आ जाता
किचन बन रहा है बाहर.
नहीं ये काट के उधर कर देते हैं अभी बनना ना उधर पूरा
अच्छा अच्छा, वहाँ बनाना है.
हाँ बनाना है
ओके,
क्या हाल ही है
बस पानी पिला दो मुझे थोड़ा.
पानी तक दे लोटे
And this is
गंगा का पानी आता देखो
this is their
वो टॉयलेट रूम करना
Toilet.
है बाथरूम करना
अच्छा.
टॉयलेट रूम
So this is going to be their toilet,
टॉयलेट
and this area is going to be used as a bathroom. So अभी बन रहा है.
हाँ बन रहा अभी
It's still under construction. Am I recording? Yes, I am. क्या था ये हुसैन?
हुसैन वो अहमद वो तरन्नुम उसका नाम जरा भी अभी थोड़ा
नहीं नहीं, बस हो गया. Thank you.
कोई बात नहीं ले
चलो, बहुत अच्छा लगा घर देख के. बाय बाय.
बाय
Bye-bye.
Another successful home invasion. Hello. I'm just looking at this village. So, what is the name of this village? Village name? Village name? Anachal. So, this is Anachal. Okay. Okay. Are there more houses behind? Okay. Is this your house? Very beautiful. Can I take a look? Look at the home. Quite a luxurious home in a village. You don't see houses like this in a village. This is like a city house. I'll just take a look. Can I go inside? I'll take off my shoes. So let's invade the village house, which is like a city house. It's like a hotel. Look at the living room. How many rooms are there? Bedroom there? And this is her kitchen. Not quite a kitchen. Bedroom here. Very nice. And what is the another bedroom? Okay. And one more bedroom. So there are 3 bedrooms. Or 4 bedrooms. Wow. And what's here? A balcony. Wow. Look at the view, guys. Look at this home. Look at this house. What a view. Wow. Amazing. Very good. What's your name? Your name?
Janagi.
Yanagi. Okay. Hindu, Christian?
Hindu.
Hindu. Okay. I have to ask because there are many Christians here. And
Bathroom.
bathroom and toilet. Let's not look at that.
Toilet.
Another toilet here. And wash basin. And this is me. Some paintings. So we're done with our home invasion. A city house in a village. Let me wear my shoes now. I'll go now. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay. Oh, my bottle. You live alone here? Alone?
Hello.
You don't live alone, right? Okay. Family? Good. I'm alone here. One person. Huh? From where? Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay, nice to meet you. I didn't expect to find a home invasion here, but we got it. This is how it looks from outside. Oh, there was a first floor also. Wow. What a life. What a life. Some may think that it's a boring life because she's sitting alone. That is subjective. Let's not go into that discussion.